All right, we're heading back out to our local river spot. Try to capitalize on some of the spots we found last time we were out. We got 7 fish, and we had been messing around for muskie in the beginning, so we should be able to do a lot better than that today. It's a nice Sunday, high 70s, low 80s, a little bit cloudy. So we're gonna try to put something together, get some smallmouth, get some walleye, whatever else is biting. See you there. The tilt lock is not working. Therefore, he has to hold the motor down. The motor wants to pop up every time he puts in reverse.
Should be here.
Spring came undone, so we really can't reverse. Except sort of. We sort of can.
Breaking laws?
No. Who knows? All right, go ahead. Stop it. Start with a swim bait. What is going on here? Oh, got him. Oh! What was that? I knew that was gonna happen too. That was my second or third bite in like 3 casts. Yeah, they're turning on. The storm has, and also the area has gotten a lot better off, you noticed. It's like way more sporadic weeds out way further. Right? Oh. Oh, got him. Fish. On a chat. Oh. There we go. Damn, son. Yeah.
Not bad. On the black and blue.
The black and blue chat, dude. Good one. Good one. He's like yours. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Look at this. Ah. Oh, finally. Jeez. Jeez.
Work for that guy.
Yeah. Oh. Hard-earned 1 pound 5 ounce smallie right here.
Yeah.
On the black and blue chatterbait in the weeds. Smallies in the weeds. Oh, got him. Oh, he's off. Crap. Back to the grind, back. Oh, got him. Fish. There we go. There we go.
Damn it. You got me beat, son.
Another one. Oh. Hey. Let's see.
Put on the red chat. Black and blue, just superior in every way.
Let's see what we got. See what we got for fish number 2. I think he's like not even a pound. 15 ounces, baby. 15 ounces. He's beautiful though. A nice smallmouth.
Black eye while you're at it.
Hey. Oh. Splash me. Oh, oh! Smacked it right there. Smacked it right there. Shit. I watched him.
Kind of felt all right.
Yeah. Oh, fish. Oh. Maybe my hook needs sharpened a little bit. I'm gonna give it a little sharp piece. Got him. There we go. He's got one. The boy, the kid. He got a fish.
It took all day, baby. It took all fucking day.
Talk about him. Talk about him.
I'm mad at him.
You mad at him?
5 hours. This is what I got to show. This 8-inch wonder fish. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him go.
Okay. Oh, I saw that. You have him. You have. Get him out of those weeds. What is it?
Largie.
Largemouth.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah.
Unified.
Unified.
Spotted.
It must be a spot. He's got red eyes here.
It looks kind of different. You got it.
Oh no, guys, it might be a spotted bass. Fish number 4.
Right here.
Oh, fish. Oh, got a little something. Yo, got a little something.
Oh.
Ah! Whoa. Okay, we got an upgrade. 1 pound 4 ounce. Second biggest of the day. Oh, beautiful fish though, beautiful fish. Absolutely gorgeous. Smelly. Oh, fish. He slammed it. Oh, he's off. Oh. They're hitting right now. I just saw them hitting. It's gonna be like the last few times, but just like don't know exactly how to do it. Fish. Rebel cray. Ooh. Come on.
Oh, what are you doing? Fish go to Harvard or something?
Why? Yeah. Fish. Rebel Cray. Woo.
Oh, got him.
There we go. Here we go. Skate him in, baby. Okay. Stop. Get him in. You goon.
Still got him.
Get him out of there.
Just watching him work. Every hook. Every single hook is in his mouth.
No? Oh, of those three. That sucks.
He's just like,
oh, you better get that off.
here,
No.
big piece.
Give me the pliers.
I need him.
Fish number 7. Tied up our previous wreck. He's walleye. That's totally a walleye.
Look at him, he's getting doing the shimmy shake. Where you going? Get out of here with the filming, bro. I'm just kidding, it's okay, you can film. Oh my goodness.
Got him on a jerkbait.
Fly me up. Sogmeister. Oh wait, no, it's a walnut. It's a walnut Grigio.
Thanks for watching. We caught 8 fish. 8 or 9 walleye, spotted bass, and the rest smallmouth. Missed a few fish. Some of them felt like maybe they were pretty nice. You know, just a little casual, close to home fishing trip.
Hey guys, it was really fun. We caught 8 fish.
All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment.
Woo!